In this video, we're going to show how to define and scope a range name. So as you can see on this spreadsheet named rental income, we have a list of rental names, location, state, total, as well as, although it's blank, a column for income. So if you look at some of these rows right here, we have a couple rows that goes for the Illinois state and a few rows that goes for Indiana. And if you need to look at the income for each row, what we see right here is just single values, right? So we see the rental name for Hilltop Getaway. It's in Illinois, Galena, that has a total of 48 in the same state and the same location, but for the different rental name, we have a different value in here. Now, what if we need to group things up, for example, by the state? So that's what we mean by defining and scoping a range name. And the way we do this is you're going to select the cells. In this case, I want to go ahead and group the range of cells that belongs to the state of Illinois, for example. And then up on the ribbon, if you click on the Formula tab, and within the Define Groups, you click on Define Name. And here, you give it a name. For example, in this case, I'm going to call it my Illinois underscore income, for example. Okay, I'm gonna define the scope. You can either do it through the whole workbook or just through the current active worksheet, which in this case is the rental income. And make sure that you making the right selection in here, which goes from A5 all the way to E6. So that's A5 all the way to E6. You click OK. So now you have a range and a scope called Illinois income. If you click away, for example, you want to go back to the same scope, just click on this, it's going to highlight the whole thing. So basically, we created this, we just made a selection. We gave it a name as well as a scope that's going to only define the income or show the income that belongs to the state of Illinois. And you can do the same thing, for example, for Indiana, for Michigan, and etc. Thanks for watching.